problem is my side mirrors and my windows are getting full of rain and water, and I can't see at them properly. So, oh shit! I just drove over something.
You cannot see now?
No, I can't really see, and I just drove over something, so I'm a bit concerned. I hope that wasn't sharp because these are brand new tires.
Yeah.
Oh, this police or ambulance, somebody with lights.
But
Shit, I need to... No, not straight. I need to change lanes. I need to change lanes.
yeah, change lane.
Oh, no, I can't. This guy's not letting me. Thank you.
Ambulance.
Yeah.
Some
So,
ambulance.
maybe some accident or something.
Yeah, it's raining, so that's why. There's a lot of accident for sure.
Oh, yeah. Let's just not be one of them, please. Oh my gosh, look at the Burj Khalifa even, like... This rain was so random. It literally just went psh, like... I saw the clouds coming, and then I checked the weather app, and then it said, yeah, 60% chance of rain. And 60%, and it's gonna rain. And she's like, oh no, let's not panic, it's just rain, it'll go away. Now look at it. So much rain.